When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, the front door plays a crucial role in making a first impression. It's one of the first things people notice when approaching your house, and it can set the tone for the entire aesthetic of your property. If your front door is outdated, worn, or simply lacks charm, replacing it can be an affordable and effective way to elevate the overall look of your home. In Laurel, homeowners are discovering the significant benefits of door replacement, not just in terms of aesthetics, but also in functionality and energy efficiency. The importance of first impressions. Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's a reflection of your personal style and the care you take with your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a fresh, welcoming look, upgrading your front door can make a substantial impact. When potential buyers or guests approach your home, a well-designed, new door instantly captures their attention and makes them feel invited. A beautiful, high-quality door can add a touch of sophistication or warmth, depending on the design you choose. From traditional wooden doors to sleek, modern styles, there's a variety of options available to complement the architectural style of your home. Replacing an old, weathered door with a fresh, attractive one can transform the appearance of your entryway and make it more inviting, which can ultimately increase the value of your home. Boosting home value with a door upgrade. If you're considering selling your home in the near future, door replacement in Laurel can provide one of the best returns on investment. According to real estate experts, homebuyers tend to notice the front door first, as it's a visual focal point. In fact, replacing your front door with a modern, aesthetically pleasing one can boost your home's curb appeal by up to 10%. This simple upgrade can set your home apart from others on the market and leave a lasting impression on potential buyers. Beyond just the immediate visual appeal, a new front door can also signal that your home has been well maintained. Buyers are often looking for homes that don't require immediate repairs or upgrades, and a new door is an indication that your home is in good shape. Energy efficiency and security. While aesthetics are often the primary reason for replacing a front door, there are additional benefits that can improve your home's overall comfort and safety. A new door can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those with single panes of glass or inadequate insulation, can allow drafts to enter and conditioned air to escape. This can lead to higher energy bills, as your heating or cooling system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern replacement doors are often designed with better insulation materials, tight seals, and advanced glazing options that keep the elements at bay. This means your home will stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, ultimately reducing your energy costs. Additionally, many new doors feature enhanced security features, such as stronger materials, better locking systems, and reinforced frames, offering you increased protection and peace of mind. Customization to match your style. One of the key advantages of door replacement in Laurel is the wide range of customization options available. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door, a stylish fiberglass option, or a sturdy steel door, there are countless choices to match your home's design. You can choose from various colors, finishes, hardware, and decorative features like side lights or transom windows. This level of personalization allows you to tailor the door to your specific preferences, creating a unique and attractive focal point for your home. If you have a specific vision for your home's exterior, a custom door can bring it to life. From modern, minimalist designs to more ornate, traditional styles, the possibilities are endless. Working with a local door replacement expert in Laurel means you can explore a range of styles that will complement the existing features of your home, ensuring a seamless integration with your current exterior. Final thoughts. Replacing your front door is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking to add value, enhance the aesthetic appeal, or increase the functionality of your entryway, a door replacement in Laurel can provide the perfect solution. With a variety of designs to choose from, energy-efficient options, and enhanced security features, upgrading your front door is an investment that will pay off in both the short and long term. If you're ready to enhance the look and feel of your home, consider door replacement as a simple yet impactful way to transform your entryway and make a lasting impression.